I'm Jackie Ward on the UC Berkeley campus, and although the university has not gotten confirmation that Ann Coulter will not be here today, she is still not expected to be here. But that doesn't mean that police are laying low. They're gearing up for a very busy day here. UC campus police say that they are still preparing for potentially violent protests and demonstrations to happen here. Police said the university still has not received confirmation that she won't come, so they have to be ready for anything. The Berkeley Republicans have filed a lawsuit in conjunction with Young America's Foundation, alleging the university discriminates against conservative speakers. But the national group, By Any Means Necessary, is considering this a win because they say they've prevented, quote, immigrant bashing. So this is what's expected to go down on and around campus today. At 10 this morning, a group called Respect Berkeley is hosting a nonviolent response to what they call the craziness of Ann Coulter in MLK Park. At noon, at Telegraph and Bancroft, where we are standing right now, the International Socialist Organization will be speaking. Then at 1:30, we'll hear from the Berkeley College Republicans. So as I mentioned earlier, that's the group that recently filed a lawsuit against UC administrators. Of course, we expect to hear more about that later on. In Berkeley, Jackie Ward, KPIX 5.